Welcome back. Now time for news from sports. The Goa Cricket Association has revealed that it wants the Sports Authority of Goa's Nehru Stadium from the 1st of January to the 20th of February to make preparations for a one-day cricket match. According to the BCCI schedule, Goa is set to get an ODI match against South Africa somewhere between 7th to the 20th of February 2010.
The GCA earlier wanted the Nehru Stadium from 1st February to mid-March, but after the recent finalization of the schedule by the BCCI, GCA have written to the SAG to make the necessary change in the stadium booking.
South Africa's tour to India has been finalized. They will be playing 5 ODIs in India from 7th of February to 20th of February 2010. We had booked the ground from 1st February to 15th of March and we have written today to reschedule our bookings from 1st of January to 20th of February 2010.
Okay, but has the SAG given any assurance that you all will get the ground for that time?
We understand we should get it because we have booked it previously.
Okay, and have you all had any meetings with the GFA regarding any confusion in the...
We have not had a meeting with GFA, but SAG has written to us on specific dates of that AFC and Champions League. After analyzing it yesterday in our managing committee meeting, it has been observed with this new schedule that only 2 matches are clashing with our ODI. That is a match on 30th of January and 3rd of Feb. Okay. Seeing the importance of the ODI match and the pride of which it is for us to host, it would be better for SAG to sort out the dates.
The Sports Authority of Goa will now have to sort out the issue mostly with the Goa Football Association, as the state football body has 8 matches of the I-League scheduled for January itself. The full schedule of the second phase of the I-League is still not available. The AFC Cup matches are scheduled between February and March, with Musli Power Churchill Brothers representing the hopes of the Goans in the Asian arena. GFA and Churchill Brothers President Joachim Alemau was not available on Friday for a comment on GFA's stand on the stadium issue. Our sports reporter from Panji, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Secretary of the Goa Swimming Association Sudesh Nagwekar has revealed that the association has requested for the National Federation to provide a foreign coach for the talented diver Sushmita Wasta.
Sushmita has been a consistent medal winner at the national level and has made Goa proud on many occasions. She is one of the probables for the India diving team for the forthcoming Commonwealth Games. Recently speaking to our Simply Sports show, Sushmita had disclosed that Dempo is willing to sponsor her provided she has a coach from abroad.
Dempo, they had approached me, but then they will sponsor me, they said, but then I have to have a coach from abroad. So I actually gave a letter to the Federation, Goa, to the Goa Association, but then I haven't received any response yet. Yeah.
So when you get a foreign coach only, then they'll give you sponsorship.
Yeah.
As far as foreign coach is concerned, for the sports person, it is generally given by the federation. Now, as far as Sushmita Wasti is concerned, we have already requested the federation to give a foreign coach. In fact, to train Sushmita under a foreign coach.
Our sports reporter Noel D'Souza and reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Madgaon for Prudent Media.
Salgaonkar Sports Club coach Tim Hankinson is happy with the bonding in his side. On Thursday, the Green Brigade stunned Musli Power Churchill Brothers with a 2-0 victory in the GFA Kingfisher Professional League match at Fatodda. Churchill Brothers coach Carlos Roberto Pereira meanwhile used the opportunity to try out some new players, but it did not work for him.
Salgaonkar Sports Club got both their goals through Milagres Gonçalves late in the second half. American tactician Hankinson was happy with the way his boys performed.
It's time that we are no longer missionary footballers who just come to take the money and play, but that we play for one cause, which is the colors of Salgaonkar. And we said that our team must play as a team, not as individuals. and our team played like a team tonight.
It's a good time for me to observe some players that I never see in match, like today Ajit Kumar and Varun in defense. But going on, we have another 7 matches now to play in the Goa League, and we still confident that you can do well. No problem.
Meanwhile, at Duler Stadium in Mapsa, Dempo Sports Club once again failed to turn up, this time for their match against Sporting Club de Goa. The spectators, who had come to watch a cracker of a match, were dismayed as they only saw Sporting Club utilizing the time by playing a light practice match among themselves. Salvador Gomes, a spectator, expressed his frustration over the no-show.
आम्ही पळयताना येयल्या मरे इतलो लोक येवन कित्याक गेम धरून ना रेफ्री ग्राउंडार ना कोण ना जेले मुनिसिपल कोण ना एम्बुलन्स ना काय सिक्युरिटी ना टिकेट्स ना मुद्दम लोक येता मरे हांव पासून म्हाका टाइम पिड्यार करून येयलो हांगा.
A reporter from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut, and from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. But before we do that, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Gabritsa Paus and Ankush Maner showbeat 2 Indian films in the international competition section of IFFI. Sunil Shetty, Subhash Ghai, Rituparna Ghosh and Girish Kasavli to attend the film fest. Shiv Sainiks attack IBN offices in Mumbai. Journalists assaulted. Media demands stern action against Sena leadership. CLP demands ban on Sanatan Narvekar committee set up to investigate bogus beneficiaries of DSS. "11 inches of rain in 7 hours caused mudslide. Expert committee submits report on Kankan floods, suggests damage control mechanisms. National Swimming Federation to decide on Sushmita Awastha's request for a foreign coach. And GCA warns SAG's Nehru Stadium from the 1st of January to 20th of February to prepare for India-South Africa ODI. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.